Welcome back to the show, guys. Now it's time to check out the latest music video from dancehall artist Razor B.
Hey, girl, with me, do you? With me, do you, girl? With me, do you? With me, do you, girl? Yeah, with me, wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Hey, girl. Wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Me ask her. Wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Hey, girl. Wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Hey, hey. See the style, other style she use make me twist my spine, yeah. All when me beg the girl fi take her time, there. Yeah, she still push me down on the concrete tile, there. Yeah, she party. The girl put me in a chokehold, where you almost knock me out stone cold. When me say girl, make you cool, so make you. Wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Hey, girl. Wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Me ask her. Wanna make you warm block for me back? Wanna make you warm block for me back? Hey,
Former TOK member Basie is releasing his new EP called Better Must Come. Let's get the details.
Where you from? Where you from?
South Barrow, Hillshire, Gregory Park, Newland.
Woodmore, how me place and a demi day. That a from in the 80s and no yesterday. Even if you see me move, me I tell you say that I'm me yard, I'm me home, yeah I tell me say who no feel.
Better Must Come, the title really just speaks to my journey right now, and I believe that at a crossroad with TOK, being, you know, people know Basie for all these years, and I'm stepping out with solo stuff now. I want people to know that better is to come with my career, as well as the song itself is speaking to people going through hardships and, you know, knowing that a better tomorrow is around the corner. You know? The EP has 5 tracks. Producers are up and coming and close to me. So the title track Better Must Come is produced by my label Bomb Rush Records. Eye for an Eye, the single that we're running with now, produced by a European producer called Damalistic and Root Survival Records. We have one on it called Hold It Out, produced by a young producer, bad guitarist named Fata 5. We have the only girl song on it is a song called Star, and that's produced by a UK producer called Baseline. And of course, Straight Outta Portmore, you don't know, that's what people know me for right now, and that's produced by Genius Sound from New York and Portmore. So it's really a mixture of local producers, foreign producers, but everything is executively produced by Bomb Rush Records. You know, I'm focusing on my solo career, and I didn't want to come up with just a lot of singles and, you know, be like, to me it's like a rat race if you're just dropping a lot of singles, but I'd rather have a product and work that product. So yes, I'll be recording for other producers and them juggling and so forth, but my main focus for Basie is the Better Must Come EP, and I think it's a good representation of Basie music and my style. So it's a mixture of all the different influences. There's some acoustic on it, which I'm a real lover of guitars, so you will hear the acoustic coming out in Better Must Come and at the start of Eye for an Eye. There's a root side of me that sometimes wasn't able to fully be shown within the TOK brand, and also some of the topics that I want to sing about might be a little deeper than what TOK Party Records are known for. So it's really just an expression of me and, you know, getting people to know what Basie is about, you know what I mean?
Brixton.
I mean, I say big up the whole of the greats, you know.
Where you from? Where you from?
From Border Clash to the return of Sunsplash.
Where you from? Where you from?
So me I say big up Cabra.
Now we're on to our second commercial break, but when we get back, we take you inside Blues on the Green at Emancipation Park in New Kingston. We'll be right back.